Hi humans! Today I decided to experiment with LEDs. Let's see if they're any good at generating power. Since different LED colors have different absorption properties, I have clear LEDs that emit white, orange, yellow, blue, and green light. For easy testing, I'll use a breadboard and a PCB to make assembly easier. Before we get into testing, pause and take a guess. Which color do you think will generate the most voltage? White, orange, yellow, blue, or green? Drop your predictions in the comments. Let's make LEDs generate electricity under the same natural sunlight conditions. Why should it work? Because convert light into electricity, we need semiconductors, and LEDs are semiconductors. They can act as tiny solar cells because of the photovoltaic effect. So, why not to try? And the winner is white, while yellow completely failed. My goal is to reach a 5-volt output, so let's connect 5 LEDs of each color in series and measure the output. And here's the catch. LEDs have reverse leakage current when acting as solar cells. This means that when multiple LEDs are connected together, the voltage output is limited by the LED with the highest leakage. Here are the results for 5 LEDs. And because of the leakage and slightly different properties of each LED, after connecting 5 LEDs in series, we got less voltage than from a single LED. At this point, the yellow LEDs are completely useless, as there is no progress at all compared to the other colors. So goodbye, yellow! I continued adding in a series 1 LED at a time for the remaining colors. With 6 LEDs, with 7 LEDs, with 8 LEDs, orange at this point is too weak to continue, so game over for orange. Green, however, reached 7 volts, so instead of increasing the voltage further, I set it aside to focus on increasing the current by connecting LEDs in parallel. For the remaining 2 competitors, I continued adding LEDs in series. Result with 9 LEDs. With 10 LEDs. At this stage, I concentrated on green LEDs, as I needed to increase the current output, as it was only 0.01 amps. I went all in on green LEDs. Adding all my green LEDs in parallel. And what is the result? You would need thousands of LEDs to achieve a usable voltage output, yet the current would still be miserable. With my setup of 56 green LEDs, I got the best result at 0.02 amps, but the voltage dropped to 4 volts. So after all, while a single LED can generate a small voltage, LEDs do not work well together as a solar panel. Their leakage current ruins efficiency. Anyway, it was a fun and educational experiment. Thanks for watching. More experiments and DIY projects are on the way, so do not miss. Subscribe. Let me know in the comments your thoughts.